So in this BTCC tutorial video, I will be showing you how to edit the language here on BTCC. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left and select the home icon. Once you're here, go to the top left and select the three horizontal lines. Then go to the top right and select the gear icon or the settings icon. And then two options down where it says language in English for me, you can select that. Now once you're on this page right here, this is where you can go ahead and adjust the language. So for example, if you wanted to change this to Spanish, I would just press Spanish. Then your device is in another language. If you wanted to go back once again, you can do the exact same thing. Then where it says language, you can change it back to English or whatever. And then it is back to the language that you started with. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit language here on the BTCC app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.